Which of the following number lines represent the solutions of 5 minus x is greater than 8? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. So the solution of this inequality is illustrated on a number line. The question wants us to find which of the number lines will represent the solution. Let's begin by solving the inequality. The inequality is 5 minus x is greater than 8. So when you group like terms, you are going to have negative x is greater than 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So negative x is greater than 3. We want to find x, and so I will divide through by negative 1. But remember, when we divide through by a negative number, the direction of the inequality will change. The inequality we have here is greater than. So when I divide through by negative 1, it's going to change to less than. So I have negative x divided by negative 1 is less than 3 divided by negative 1. And this will give us x is less than negative 3. So this is the solution to the inequality. Now we have to pick the number line that illustrates this solution. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct one is option B.